everyone, this is Create the Heart, and I'm back again with a haul. It's a virtual retreat unboxing for Altenew. It's one that's coming up very soon. I can't remember the name of it. I'll try to put it in the title. And, you know, I kind of am iffy on the Altenew one. Some are just, they haven't really met my expectations, I'll be honest. I'm excited about trying this one. For one thing, I really like the instructors. I feel like the instructors, most of them, except for one of them really, is more in line with sort of my style. One of them is definitely not in my style. We'll see what he does. But so that was kind of the reason. Also, I saw the kit and I kind of liked it, and then they gave me a coupon, so I went for it. So I'm hoping it meets my expectations. It comes in this really nice box. And I'm going to open it up and I'm going to share what's in it. Today, I think I got this for $2.49 or something like that. Maybe something like that. But anyway, so Altenew has their own super pretty. Oh, here it is. It's called Secret Garden. Altenew Secret Garden 2024. So I don't know that his style is necessarily mine, but I know that Carissa Wiley, Laura Basson are two that I really enjoy. Kelly Taylor too, so, and Jennifer. So, you know, we'll see about the other two, but you know, that gave me a good odds that this will be great. So in our kit, we got their mini blending brush set, which is great. So I never have to buy brushes anymore because I've been getting them in different retreat kits, which is fabulous. We also got a lot of their inks, which I do like these inks. These are all ones I don't think I have. I haven't really bought any of their inks. They came in another kit. So these are the inks that we got. We got those. And then we got, what is in here? Oh, we got detailed blending brushes. We got these littler ones. And then there's some A2 card bases. And then we got this, which is a Milky Way glitter cardstock set. So they're small. They're 3x6, glitter on one side and plain white cardstock on the other. 4 sheets of each color. So these are really great, I think, for, you know, for die cutting, right? So got that. And then moving on to like other paper goods that we got. That's just kind of exciting. Brushed gold metallic cardstock, 8.5 by 11, 10 sheets. We got a Craft Your Life apron, I think that is. So that's kind of cool. And then let's get into the actual stuff. So we got these cascading flowers, a very big stamp set. I think it's like 6 by 8 or something. It's pretty big. And then there is, let's see, cascading flowers. And I don't know, did we get like dies with that or what with that? So we got this cascading flowers outline stamp. I think this must be, yeah, this is the stencil. So we did get the stencil with that. And then I don't know if there's a die that goes with this or not. Cascading Flowers stamp set, coordinating die. Just trying to make sure everything matches up to what I show you, but maybe not. So maybe there's a die and we didn't get that die. That's possible because, I don't know. Anyway, we did get this die, which is a Fresh Flowers die set. We got this Leafy Splendor stencil. And we also got the 3D folder. We got this Enchanted Castle window along with the stencil. And then we got these this die set, the sentiment die set. So that is what's in this kit. So, you know, if you think it's something you might be interested in, think it might be sold out at this point. But definitely, you know, if these are things you like, keep it in mind for, you know, the next go around, because they do quite a few different like kits and retreats. But it's kind of fun to try and do some things. You know, they did send me a stamp set to celebrate their 10th anniversary. It actually has my name on it. I don't know if you've seen those. I had seen someone else pull that, and I was like, what? So I'll be sharing that in another video because I have it with me here. But anyway, that is the kit. Thanks for watching. This is Santa Cruz the Heart.